Hi, I'm Roy from Monitors Anywhere. We are here in ISE 2020, and Monitors Anywhere is all about digital signage connectivity, video walls for control rooms, video walls for creative kind of layouts. And what we show here for the first time in ISE is our latest innovation. This is the MAWi Player. MAWi Player is our Android-based app that installs on a device like this, but it can also be installed on any Android-based device. So you can take your player and make it work with our app. And what it allows you to do is to create some really cool and creative video wall layouts. So I'll show you how it works on the software. So you need first to connect each screen to a device like this, install our app on it, and then you connect it to a PC that we have here. And you can see here our software. It's the displays configuration tool that allows you to actually rotate the screens in any layout, in any angle, I mean. And then you can set up the actual layout of your video wall very easily. And in a few minutes, once you apply this layout, Windows will see it as one extended monitor, which means that you can actually run any type of content on the screen. So if it's a VLC videos, if it's a PowerPoint video images, URLs, or even your own CMS. So anything that you would like to run on the PC, you can do that with our software. So yeah, this is our MAWi Player. If you want to learn more about our solution, visit our website at www.monitorsanywhere.com. Thank you.